Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. See on the screen what I've shared with you. See, this is an exercise on reported speech, children. Can you hear me? Am I audible? No response is coming.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Uh,
Ma'am, you are
in the UP syllabus, you know that we have what? We have
ma'am, reported speech and tenses.
Yes, beta. So reported speech, I'm making you practice tenses. We've done many times. I'm giving you 2-3 minutes. Just attempt the first one. Okay, then we'll discuss the answers. Attempt the first one very quickly. Charlie. Those who finish, raise your hands. Don't say done, ma'am, done, ma'am. That way you disturb others. Who
Okay,
finishes?
ma'am.
Yes, beta. Raise your hands after that. Hurry up, hurry up. 4 hands only. What are others doing, bhai? Hurry up, hurry up. Quickly, children.
Ma'am, I am having doubt in the B
Beta, when we will
sentence.
discuss answers, when we discuss the answers, automatically doubts will be cleared out. I will discuss the answers.
Okay, ma'am.
Hurry up, children. Last 1 minute I'm giving you. Hurry up. Last 1 minute. Okay. Can we discuss the answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me discuss the answers very quickly now. Samarth is there in your class? Do you have any Samarth in your class?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bache. Fine. Anu informed Arun that, tell me,
She would not attend the
She
school
would
the
not
next day
attend
he
the
would
because
school
she
She
not
had
would
to
the
not
attend
attend
school
attend
the
the
school
next
next
day.
because she had to attend
She will
her.
not attend the school the
She
next day
had
because she has to attend her cousin's wedding.
see the changes, see the changes. He would not attend school the next day because he has to attend his cousin's wedding. So what are the
Wedding.
changes? I changes
Ma'am,
to
can we
he.
write had or it should be has?
It cannot be had because tomorrow it is future tense. So we cannot change it to past
Yes,
tense.
ma'am.
Okay, it's
Yes,
future tense.
ma'am.
We cannot change it. Look here. I becomes he, will becomes would, and tomorrow becomes the next day. Then Arun asked her if she remembered that they had an exam the next day. Anu exclaimed. Tell me this one now. Anu exclaimed.
That she had completely forgotten about that
That
and
she had completed.
that
Forgot
they
about
have an exam the next day.
Remember
Yes.
Yes,
that
ma'am.
they have an
They
exam.
had an exam. They have an exam the next day. We will not change the tense because it is tomorrow.
They.
That is the tense. Yes. It is Anu exclaimed that she she had completely
Ma'am,
what?
forgotten about
forgotten.
They have an
Forgot.
exam the next day. She totally forgot about it. What shall I
Yes,
do
ma'am.
now? What will this become?
What should she do
Ma'am,
now?
like it is given already.
it is already
food then.
Then. Okay. But if you see the changes, shall becomes should, now becomes then. Okay. See the
Yes,
changes also.
ma'am.
Given
Then.
shall becomes should and now becomes then.
Then.
Anu, I think the exam is more important than attending a wedding. So tell me this now.
Arun told her that
Exam is more important than attending a
was
wedding.
more important
the
than attending.
exams are more attended than
Arun
attending.
told her
Exams
that
are
he
more
thought.
important.
बेटा इसको भी चेंज करिए. Arun told her that
Told
he
her that
thought. Think will become the exam is more important than attending a
Yes,
wedding.
ma'am.
So the only change we had is here. He thought that. Now to this Anu agreed and said that she would attend the school next day. See the changes that are done. Will becomes would
Next
and
day.
tomorrow becomes next day. So I hope you've understood 2-3 rules. Will becomes would, shall becomes should, tomorrow becomes next day, and in
Yes,
future tense
ma'am.
we do not change.
Yes,
Chale,
ma'am.
do the second one. Do the second one, children. Let's do the
Yes, ma'am.
second one, then we'll discuss the second one. Do better.
Okay, ma'am.
Do the second one, we'll discuss then.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, what about others? Let me see how many hands raised. Oh, good. 6, 7 of them have raised hands. Chaliye, let us discuss the answers now. This is the second passage. We'll see what major changes have come in this. What were the major changes we did in the first one? Will had become
Would.
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 Ma'am,
Today,
the
Would.
shall
tenses.
became should. Tomorrow becomes
The next day.
The
and
next
in
day.
future tense. And in future tense, do we change the tenses?
No, ma'am.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
While doing this, keep revising also the rules. Mary, I have a surprise for you. Mary told Dia that
He
She
had
has
a
a
surprise
Had
for
a
her.
surprise
She had
for
a
her.
He
surprise.
had a surprise for her.
what? Her. Very good, very good. Next. Dia was surprised. Let's come to this. Dia was surprised and asked,
What was it?
That was
What was that?
That what was it?
what was it? Not that beta. That comes अगर this लिखा होता तब that आता. Is will become was. Mary told her that, yes, Mary told her that
Her on her birthday.
that she will give it to her on her
Give it to
birthday.
The next
her on
day.
her birthday.
very good. Mary told her that she would give it to her on her birthday the next day. Now to this Dia replied,
Why
That she
thank
was
you.
He
very
was
eager to see
eager
what
to
was
see
it.
what was
Was
that.
eager to
Was
he
very
was
And
eager
thanked
to
her.
see.
thank her.
Beta, that nahi, there is no this over here. She was eager to see what it was. Is changes to was. That will come agar this likha hoga. Mary confidently
Okay, ma'am.
replied that she was sure that Dia was going to love that. So first change we did surprise for her. Is it becomes was it?
Ma'am.
I will give it to you on your birthday. She would give it. Will has become would. Tomorrow becomes next day. And it is becomes it was. Very nicely done. Okay, very good.
Excuse
Now
me,
the
ma'am.
third one. Yes, speak out.
Ma'am, in the D1, like we replace the position of thank you at last.
Where you could have simply said no to this. See, they have given a line over here. To this, Dia replied. So they are only asking what to this Dia replied. There is no need to write this word thank you. Otherwise, if it was not given, we would have written to this Dia thanked her and said. अगर ये नहीं दिया होता बेटा, then you would have written to this Dia thanked her and replied that she was eager to see what it was. But since they have just said replied, so no need to write this.
So even at last, we won't add like and thanked her at last.
But that won't make any this. You can do it like this. To this, Dia replied she was eager to see what it was and thanked her. That you
Yeah,
can do at the last part. Yes, that you can do better. You can take it to the last part, but not in the beginning, okay?
ma'am.
Yes, surely you can take it at the last bit. Surely.
Fine, ma'am.
My dear children, now the third one, very good. I was really scared. I thought आपको याद है या भूल गए. We did reported speech earlier. But I'm happy to see you remember
No,
this.
ma'am.
Very good, children. Do the third one.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, yesterday will be changed to what?
Tell her.
The
Tell
previous
everybody.
day.
The day before.
Yes, previous day or the day before, whatever you want to use.
Thank you,
Very
ma'am.
good, children. Thank you to your friends.
Thank you, all of you.
That's better. This is like KBC में वो होता है. What is that? Audience. What is
Lifeline.
that?
Call a
Ma'am,
friend.
friend.
Lifeline.
No.
The
Call a
friend.
friend.
Call a friend. Acha,
Yes,
call a
ma'am.
friend. हाँ. So you have used one lifeline now. Be careful.
Yes, ma'am.
Continue. Do very carefully. Very small things also. Take care. Let me see how many hands raised. Oh, very good. Again, the same hands though. Some of them are here for what I don't know. They're all invisible people. They just join the meeting and then they are not there or they don't want to answer. God knows. Chaliye, let's discuss the third one. I called you yesterday. Where were you? Tina told Aryan that
She called him the
She
previous
had
day.
called
Called him the previous day.
Had called the previous day.
very good. Called him the previous day. And beta, even if
Day.
the answer is given, see to it. Where were you? And asked
Okay,
him
ma'am.
where he had been. And asked him where he had been. Aryan, I went to visit my grandmother. Why did you call? Aryan told her that. Tell me.
He had gone
She
to visit his
he
Went
had
to
grandmother.
visit
went
his
to visit
grandmother.
his grandmother
His
and
grandmother.
Went to
inquired
visit
why
his
she had called.
grandmother.
See, went is past tense, so past becomes past perfect.
Why
So he
she had
had
called.
gone to. Went will become
Yes,
had
ma'am.
gone. Too good. He had gone to visit his grandmother and inquired why she had
She
called.
had called.
Tina, let's come to the next one. Tina, I called to tell you that our results will be out next week. Tell me now this one. Aryan told her that.
Tina said
Tina
They
that
told
she
him
had
that
called him to tell that their results will
that
be out the
they
following week.
That their results
their
will be out
results
the
will be
next
out the
week.
following week.
Excellent. All of you have given the correct answer. Tina told her that she had called to tell him that their results would be out the following week. Aryan, are you sure? When Aryan asked whether she was sure, Tina told him. What did Tina tell him? Tell me the last sentence.
That she saw the
She
news in
saw
the
the
Saw the
previous
news
Tina
in
newspaper.
the
told him that
previous
she
day
saw
newspaper.
news in the
Newspaper.
yesterday
Very good. Tina told him that she
previous
saw the
day's
news.
newspaper.
She had seen. Saw will become what? Had seen. Past tense becomes past perfect.
She
So she
had
had
seen.
seen the news
That
the
she had
previous
seen
day
the news
news-
in the day before
previous day's newspaper.
newspaper.
Very good. Charlie, very good. Let's do this. The next one.
Ma'am, we have already done this.
Chalo beta, now I've made a PDF. No issues. Let's revise. Reported speech is coming in UTs and we will have hardly 1 or 2 classes more. Your Diwali break is going to start now after this week if you see. You'll have
Yes,
Diwali
ma'am.
holidays
Ma'am, 12,
and
I
then
think
after
from 12.
Ma'am,
and after
I'm
Diwali
12.
holidays. No, 12th is working. 12th we have classes.
Ma'am, after 12th, like from 13.
Most probably they are from 13 to 16, but 13 we are not sure. Maybe we have classes, maybe we don't have
Ma'am,
classes. I'm
Akash
not
sir
sure.
told us from 12th of
Ma'am, but
November.
Beta, that is
And
what we
Akash
had
sir has
last
told
year.
that
See,
from
that is
12.
beta, that is what we had last year. Like Choti Diwali se up to Bhai Dooj. But every
Okay,
time we
ma'am.
don't know. So we are expecting the same, all of us, that it is going to be 13th to 16th. And after that, you'll have your UTs.
3 days.
So you see how many classes you will get. You'll get one class on Saturday with me this Saturday. And then I think
Yes.
one last class. That's all. One class on Thursday. In case we have a
Yes,
school on
ma'am.
13th, then Thursday. So maximum 2 classes, otherwise 1 class. Descriptive writing, you all know how to write very nicely. Tenses
Yes,
you've already
ma'am.
revised many times. So only this part needed a bit of revision, and now I'm very happy, satisfied that you'll be able to do. Chalo, let's do this one. Good children.
ma'am, could you please shift this? It is not visible from the side.
You want me to do it up or down?
No, like this one. No, the side blanks aren't visible.
No, I think it is quite clear. I'm on my laptop, I can see. What
Okay.
about others? Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, it is
Beta?
visible nicely.
On your phone, if you're seeing, then usko chota karo, font size, you'll be able to read. Contract it a little.
Okay, ma'am.
How many hands raised? Okay. What about this boy Daksh? Daksh, are you there or you're not there only? Fooling me. And you think I'll mark you present? Daksh Kumar, give me your attendance. Okay. Dhruv Sharma. Dhruv Sharma, say present, ma'am. If you are there. Mohit Gangwar.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, good. Daksh Kumar, I'm asking you one more time. Mohit Gangwar. Pavni.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you are there. You are not answering, beta. Shreya Gangwar.
Ma'am, I'm answering continuously.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Maybe then you're not raising your hand, so I'm not getting it. Srishti? Srishti, are you there?
Present,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, fine, beta. Shreya? Is Shreya
Present,
there?
ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay. Should we start discussing, children?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Though I'm very happy with your class that you still remember all the rules which we had done. That is really nice to know. Anita, ask Swati.
Help
If
her.
if
She could help her.
If,
if she could
what?
help her,
That can
Yes,
she
if
help
she
her?
could help her. See, can will change to could. That is the main thing we need to remember here. If she could help her, that means can is going to change to could. Then Swati agreed and asked. Yes, what did Swati
show
ask?
what is it about?
Was it?
No.
was it?
That what was it
What
about?
was it? What was it? Ankita told her that
She needed someone to take care of her
She
baby for
needed
2
someone to
hours.
take care of her baby for 2 hours.
very good. She needed someone to take care of her baby for 2 hours. Very good. Swati replied,
That she
That
could do
she
that.
can do that.
She could do that.
she could do that and it was not a problem. If you want to add, you can add. Ankita thanked her and
Asked that if she could take care
Ask
of
that
her
can
And
if
asked
she
her if she could take care of her cat as well.
cat as well.
and then the question mark would be removed and asked her if she could take care of her cat as well. To this, Swati refused and said she did not like cats. Ankita then told her,
No
was
problem.
not a problem.
She
She could take care of the baby and she would find
could take
someone
care
else
of
for
her
the
baby.
kid.
it was not a problem. Yes.
It
Ankita then
was
told
not
her
a
that it
problem.
was not a problem. She
Would.
Could
Could
could take care of the
She
could take
could
care of the
take care of
baby and she would find someone
find
else for
someone.
the cat.
the cat.
So can becomes could, will becomes
Would.
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 That are the main changes
Would.
we have done, children. Very good. Now let's all go to Mahabaleshwar, though we've already been there once. I also remember now. Charlie, let's do this one.
Yes, ma'am. We have been there 2 times.
Yes, so let's go the
Yes.
third time now. There are hardly any exercises in your book. Next time I'll arrange from some other book also.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, done.
Done, beta? Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
let me check. What about others? Let's see how many are there. Oh, very good. Most of them have done. So let's check. So this Mahabaleshwar one, so you've learned only almost most of you, I'm sure you know it on your
Yes, ma'am.
tips only. Start the answers. Start speaking, beta.
They
They
told
told
us that they are
told
going
Raj
to the Mahabaleshwar next
they
day.
were going to Mahabaleshwar
next
the
day.
next Raj exclaimed,
Raj exclaimed and
That
said that
Mahabaleshwar,
Mahabaleshwar
because he had
had been there
gone
last
there the
year.
last year.
last year.
They
Very
once
good. I'm
Raj
listening
asked
now.
him if he would
Continue.
like
He would
to
like to
join
join
them.
them.
Raj replied
Replied that he
that
could only if everyone agreed.
told him that he would
Him
check
that
with them and
check
call
with
him
them
the
and call him the
next day.
next day.
Raj
Raj
thanked him
thanked
and
him
said
and
he
said
would
that he will look forward for his call.
He would look forward to
Look forward for his call.
Look forward for his call. Okay. So most of
Yes,
you,
ma'am.
it seemed as if you remember on your tips that this part we had done. I did not
Yes,
find
ma'am.
any mistake. However, let us discuss the changes. Can you tell me what major changes you have done? Come on, tell me.
We are to
Ma'am,
they
they
are.
were
Tomorrow
and
becomes the
Tomorrow
next
becomes
day.
the next day.
ma'am, tomorrow
Wednesday
became the
becomes
next
had
day
been there.
and
Very good. Very
Wednesday
good.
becomes had been.
previous day. Ma'am, us
I
become them.
went I had gone.
Your
Very
become
good. Very good.
his.
Very good. Very good. So it is basically change in pronouns, change in tenses, change in can to could, will to, would, shall to.
Should.
Should. Okay, let's do this.
Sure.
Order a pine cake. Already ordered one pineapple cake for your birthday once. Let's order one more pineapple cake.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, this also we have ordered twice.
Oh, so good. Now you've had cake twice. You got 2 times to eat
Yes.
now. I think you like
Yes,
the
ma'am,
cake.
we like pineapple.
Ma'am, now
I
third
think you
time.
like the cake a lot. So third time you have gone to the same
Yes,
confectioner
ma'am.
to order a cake.
Yes,
Isn't
ma'am.
it? I also feel the
Ma'am, we
same.
are
That
a
you are
ma'am.
regular customer.
Oh, this shows that you people are very fond of eating cake.
Yes, ma'am.
So every
Quite.
occasion you're celebrating, every occasion celebrating with a cake only, huh? So many times celebrating your birthday
Yes.
because of the cake. So your cake will be cut if you have any mistake in this. No cake for you. Chalo, start doing. I'll give you 2 minutes to it, then we'll discuss the answers. Otherwise, no cakes for you.
Ma'am, done.
In school, things were so different when you used to study. Your sections are changed.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That
Yes,
is what
ma'am.
I was saying. Most of you, the sections are changed now.
Yes, ma'am. Like,
That is what, when I take attendance, I note down the attendance after the classes, then I realize that yes, the sections have changed. 8th A and 8th B, I had a less interaction with you people because I just had 2 periods in 1 week with you. And sometimes it used to be a holiday. So less of interaction, but with 8th C, I had a lot of interaction. Every day I had a class with them because I was teaching them science. Every day we had classes. So 8C, I know the children very well and they've all shifted now here and there. 8C, to each one of them, I know you people very well. Because we almost had a period every day in the class. If you remember, for science, we had a class every day.
Ma'am, that was 8B.
yes,
Yeah,
ma'am. In
yeah.
8th B you had.
No, I was not teaching 8B. I was teaching 8C, na?
No, ma'am, you taught them science.
Yes, ma'am.
Grammar, so we were teaching all 3 sections grammar. But science was which section?
Ma'am, 8B. Ma'am,
You said
B.
okay, it was B. I thought it was C.
Yes.
So then B section children I know very well. Okay, naughty children they are very
Yes,
naughty.
ma'am.
I know.
No, ma'am.
I
Ma'am,
know you
now
all
you're
are naughty.
sincere.
I know you all are very naughty children. Shall you give me the
Ma'am,
answers? Very yes.
made distribution in the class.
And told a confection.
We
And
had
he
great
told
fun.
the
No doubt.
confectioner he
He told
want
the
to order
confectioner
that
he wanted to order a
he
big
wanted to
pineapple cake
order
for
a
her
big
birthday.
pineapple cake for her
The
birthday.
Okay, hold
confectioner
on, hold
asked
on.
when
Those who are not
asked
speaking,
them
those who are not speaking will not get the cake. Come on, speak, everybody.
Okay,
the
ma'am.
confectioner asked
The
when was
confectioner
his
asked
birthday.
Confectioner asked
that
when was
when
her
was her
birthday.
when
She replied that it was the
and it
following day.
replied that it
The
was the
confectioner
following
told
day.
her that
Replied
it was
that it
collected
was
The
the
by
chicken
noon.
collected by
the
noon.
confectioner told her
Conductor asked, when is your
Good sale for the confectioner.
When
Everybody
is
is
your
ordering
birthday?
a cake, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
The confectioner
yes,
has a good
ma'am.
sale. Everybody is ordering a cake for their birthday. So the confectioner is having a good time because everybody is
good
ordering a
business?
nice cake. Hmm?
Good business.
Yes, ma'am.
Good business. Good, na? Everybody
Ma'am, the
should have
business
business.
is growing.
Everybody should have business after COVID festival time. Everybody should make money so that they can
Yes,
celebrate
ma'am.
festivals, isn't it? I think in your class also I told you last time that make sure you go and buy those earthen diyas. Did I discuss with you?
No,
No?
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Beta, I think I discussed it with the other section. Normally you spend so much of money on crackers and you spend
Yes,
money
ma'am.
on buying those laddies. What do you call them? Laddi? For
Ma'am,
decoration purpose.
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, yes, ma'am. In Hindi we call them ladki.
Children, promise yourself that this time you 100 rupees only. Even if you don't buy more, at least 100 rupees buy diyas. चाहे जलाओ या नहीं जलाओ, but please
Yes,
buy
ma'am.
diyas. वो जो मिट्टी की दिया होती है,
Already. Yes, ma'am. Already
because
we have done. Yes, ma'am.
हाँ बेटा, everybody, even if you don't do it, अगर नहीं भी जलाते हो, still 100 rupees कम करो from your crackers and buy diyas so that those people can also celebrate Diwali. They are in a very bad condition. That day I gone to the, yes. That day I went to the potter's shop because of the lockdown for 6, 7 months, 8 months. They are in a very bad condition.
Yes, ma'am.
So, beta, we need to help them out because they also have to celebrate festival. They also have kids at home who will make demands
Yes,
like
ma'am.
you make demands from your parents.
Yes, ma'am.
Similarly, they also have children who do demands for festivals. So they are in a very bad condition. So I thought that day only that I would tell all my children that buy diyas, at least of
Yes,
100
ma'am.
rupees, everybody should promise themselves to buy diyas. Motivate your parents not to buy Chinese laddies and buy diyas. Because
Yes,
when we
ma'am.
buy these Chinese lights, beta, we are giving money to Chinese. Okay? They don't have to celebrate Diwali. Do they have to celebrate
Yes.
Diwali?
No,
Chinese,
No,
they
ma'am.
ma'am.
celebrate Diwali?
No,
They will
ma'am.
not
They're
celebrate
only
Diwali.
getting money for their business.
Business, and then they're going to use that money to buy arms and then kill our soldiers only.
Yes,
Don't you
ma'am.
think China does this? China is
Yes,
making
ma'am.
money from our country and then they buy guns and tanks and then they kill our soldiers with that money only.
Yes.
So avoid buying
Yes,
anything which is
ma'am.
Chinese. This festival, promise yourself, don't buy anything which is Chinese. Buy something from your own people, local people who celebrate the festival. What is the point of giving money to these Chinese? They don't have to celebrate Diwali, na?
Yes, ma'am. They are not getting anything.
So it is a humble request to all the students that at least 100 rupees, whether you do jalao ya nahi jalao, but please buy diyas of 100 rupees.